Forget the Chinese takeout. Howard shows us how to make chopstick veggie fried rice today in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If you're looking for a budget-friendly dinner that you can have on the table in less than 30 minutes, then you're gonna love the veggie pack fried rice that we're making today. You can even add your own touches to it to make it your very own. We start by scrambling a couple of eggs. Once they're done, we'll set them aside to cool. In the same skillet or wok, we'll add a little oil and some fresh garlic, along with some thawed peas and carrots. Once they heat through, we'll add some cold-cooked long-grain rice and a bit of soy sauce. This is a great way to use up that leftover rice. And the trick to a good fried rice is to make sure you start off with cold rice. That way the rice won't clump together. While that's cooking, we'll chop up our scrambled eggs and add it back to the skillet. If you want, you can even add some leftover cooked chicken, shrimp, or steak. You get the idea. Top it off with a few sliced scallions, and you've got yourself a fried rice that's as good or even better than Chinese takeout. It's a great budget-friendly dinner or a simple side dish. The recipe for our chopstick veggie fried rice is online now, so you can make it as soon as tonight. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fake-out, takeout way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
For good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online, just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.